Hello guys, Alice here. Welcome back to another episode on Trade Ideas. In this video, I'm going to be going through a different instrument. So far, I've been only focusing on the crypto market, especially tackling with Bitcoin and Ethereum, showing you the possible setups and scenarios on them. So for this video, I'm going to be focusing on different instrument, which is 6E or Eurusd in the forex market. So without further ado, let's get to it. Okay guys, before we begin, I have to tell you that I'm using a different platform. My favorite platform for future market trading and analysis is NinjaTrader. It's just my preference. Okay, that's all. The interface is a little bit different. Okay, but the logic that I'm going to be showing you is the same as the last videos which you've seen on the Bitcoin and Ethereum. So let's get to it. This is the 5-minute chart of the 60E, and I have the volume profile here. This is the daily volume profile. The orange line is the POC of that day. Dotted gray line at the top and the bottom are the high and the low of the value area. So this bright area between these two gray lines is the value area, and the blue curve line is the VWAP of the day. So this is the daily VWAP. Okay. So let me zoom out to get the whole picture here. Price started rising from here, from this point all the way up to this point, but look at this extreme point here. Price reached this level, did a quite a bit of retracement, and then broke to the level, right? I'm gonna mark this area. This is the resistance level. It was a resistance. Price broke through with a strong candle. Okay, it continued in the direction for another 3 candles. Okay, rested a little bit and then continued to the upside. So this breakout was legit. Okay, but what happened? There was a rally, base, and rally here, right? We have a rally, base, rally. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna be marking this area because it's interesting. It's the base. Okay, the area that the price basically rested, and above that I have the resistance, and above that I have a resistance which is now my support level. Next time the price comes here, boom, look at it. Price started selling, hit this level, went up, hit this level, went up, broke the level, touched my zone, went all the way up. Okay, touched the zone, went all the way up. So as long as the price is above this zone, long opportunities presents themselves. Okay, so look here, price was rising, right, and went into the consolidation mode and then dropped. Huge volume here. Okay, and the POC is here. What I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna basically mark this area. In the following week, price when comes here, okay, I'll be expecting some sort of a reaction. So I have a POC, and below that I have a VWAP here. Okay, this is a daily VWAP of the 4th of November. So I have a VWAP along with the POC. It could be a strong combination here. So I'm going to be closely monitoring this area. When the price gets there, I'll be able to take a short if I see the clues. Okay, what are those clues? I've mentioned them in the previous videos, okay, about on the Ethereum and BTC. The clues are the same here. Okay, this is a short trade, so you should be looking for lack of buying. It could be a single print, exhaustion, absorption, and huge order coming through the market. So these are the signs that could market reverse or bounce back from your level. So look here, this is the POC of the 8th of November, and this is the POC of the 9th of November. So basically they're lining up. There's a lineup of the POC here. This area could be a good resistance. Okay, next time maybe the fall in the following week, if price reaches here, I could have a short setup around this level here, guys. So there could be some sort of a short trade along this level, and I'll be monitoring these 2 levels. The first one is this, the second one is this. So if the price gets to any of these levels, I'll take a short trade if I see any possible sign of reversals from these levels. Okay, so let me show you what are the possible clues that you should be looking for in order to take a buy or short trade. For example, let's suppose that the price is coming into your zone and you want to take a buy trade here, right? What you should be looking for is this. Take a look at this one. Okay, 1000 contract here. Okay, 1700 contract here. Okay, I'm rounding the numbers. Okay, so look at this candle. Only one contract got executed here. This is, I mean, this could be a sign of exhaustion. Okay, price is almost running out of steam here. Next candle goes down. Okay, the value area. This is something I don't want to see. Okay, the value area is at the toward the bottom of the candle. Okay, I don't want to see that. Seeing the value area toward the bottom of the candle, and candle closes around the POC of that area, right? So what happened? Next candle opened up. What it did something quite good. It closed above this candle. This candle was not just a normal candle. 1700 contract and 180 negative delta. So delta was high, the volume was high, and this candle was able to close above a candle which was extreme. Okay, and this is a sign to me that market might want to continue to the upside further. Okay, another interesting thing about this candle is that I see this as stacked imbalance at 30, 16, okay, 112, okay, and candle closes almost at the top, okay, at extreme point. So these signs are good. What I do is that I simply act based on these signs I've seen here. Okay, I'll take a long trade on the opening of this candle, or I could put a buy limit order on the POC, wait for the price to retrace back to the POC. You can see it almost retraced back to the POC here, and take a long trade from here. Put the stop loss below the zone so that I know it never reaches my stop loss if it's gonna go continue back to my zone to look for much more buying power. Okay, but that's it. So this is the one of the sign that so this is one of the sign that could manifest itself if you want to take a long trade. The opposite should happen for the short trade if you're looking for a short signal to try to take. Okay, so that's it guys for this video. On your USD or 60E you have this zone, and in this zone to take a short from. Okay, price reaches any of this zone, look for clues. Okay, if you're not using the footprint chart, on a normal candlestick chart, I can look for the clues to take a short from any of these levels if they show up. So that's it guys. I hope it was informative and you enjoyed it. Make sure you stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.